In this tutorial, you'll learn how to stake your Ethereum tokens with Ankr Staking. First, navigate to the Ankr homepage at ankr.com. Hover over Products in the navigation bar, then select Liquid Staking to launch the app. Click on Connect Wallet and follow the associated prompts to finish connecting. Now, click Go to Staking and you will be taken to the Liquid Staking dashboard. From the dashboard, hover over the Ethereum block and select Stake. Enter the amount of ETH you wish to stake. Now click Get Ankr ETH. When the wallet prompt appears, select Confirm. On the following page, wait for the transaction to complete and do not close out of the window. When the transaction is finalized, the Stake Successful screen will appear. Copy the provided transaction ID and store it in a safe place. Before leaving this page, click on Add Ankr ETH to Wallet. When prompted by your wallet, select Add Token, then refresh your wallet to confirm the token was successfully added. After adding the token to your wallet, return to the staking dashboard and you will see your staked Ankr ETH displayed under Liquid Staking. To review your staking history and Ankr ETH token details, click on the icon with the 3 vertical dots. Congratulations, you have successfully staked your Ethereum tokens with Ankr Staking.